Today we got a video from Body Cam Files, and the title of the video is Police Know She's Hiding Something from Them.
Hey driver, go ahead, put it in park. Turn the vehicle off. Take the keys out, put them on the roof.
Hello.
Hello.
Go ahead and hop out for me, all right?
Yep.
Leave all your stuff in the car.
Yep. My phone.
Yep.
Leave it.
You can bring it. You can bring your phone if you need to.
Okay.
Just step right back here. How do you know him?
That's my brother.
Okay. So the reason that you guys are getting pulled over is you're in a stolen vehicle.
What?
The tag is reported from a stolen vehicle.
Wow. I don't know. He just bought that truck from a friend of his.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can you grab your ID for me real quick? Thank you. And if you'll just go stand next to your brother.
Yeah.
192. Would y'all slide that way? I'm gonna run my dog around. Hey, come stand right here, just so that we don't run you over. Live.
Oh, good boy, he ready to work. I love when they bring the doggies out. Oh, it's hot. The vehicle hot, boy.
Smells drugs.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, it's done. It's over with. It's over with. The dog ain't had to do too much work, boy. He hit on that thing like, oh, he jumping for joy. Oh man, look at this. This was crazy. I ain't never seen nothing like this. This was so fast. The dog caught it quick.
Just so that we don't run you over. Live.
Look at that. He motivated. He ready to work. Look, the guy, damn, he just got to the truck.
You sure? He smells drugs. Check it. Okay.
No need to walk around. Good boy.
Close. Good boy. Ricky, any drugs in the car? Any drugs on? Not that you're aware of. Any on you? Any on her?
I'd say no.
Okay.
So is there anything in there? Uncapped needles, anything like that that's going to hurt them, poke them? Okay. Is there any reason why the dog alerted to the odor of narcotics in the vehicle?
Yeah, I have no idea. There's nothing in there though.
A couple of cut straws with residue in them.
But there's like some pink something or other in there.
What's this pink thing you just...
What do you think that pink thing is?
Looks like you rolled a piece of paper of some sort, but there might be something in it.
I mean, it's real tight.
Yeah.
I'm guessing, and Justin said you're rolling for so long, she might have crotched it.
Okay.
Because she's got a dress on too. If the dog hit, unless it was old, I'm guessing she might have it.
When the dog alerted on her? Passed right by her.
That's not the way. Well, that's not the way we work with on who it is that he alerted on the car. So the car is hot, but that's my guess.
Okay, just let me know what you want me to do.
Would you mind searching her?
Strip frisk.
Real good. Get up in there.
Okay.
What's your name?
Get up in there. Credit card swipe.
Okay. Did you crotch anything?
No.
If you go to jail and they find it in your body in the body scanner.
I know this.
Okay.
Yeah. I know this.
Don't give me an attitude.
I'm not trying to give you an attitude.
I'm being straight up with you, and I'm just asking.
My brother asked me if I wanted to go ride to see our dad for Thanksgiving. Okay. That's the first time I've ever even been in that truck. For one, I was sitting at home and my brother asked me
Stop raising your voice at me because I'm not being
to go see
disrespectful
my dad,
towards you.
that's all we were going to do.
Okay, you're in a stolen car and a dog.
Stolen car.
Okay. Can you let me finish and cut the attitude? Because I'm not giving you attitude. I'm treating you with respect and I'm telling you what's going to happen. and I'm giving you an opportunity to be honest. And I don't know, maybe you are being honest, but this is what's going on. That's a stolen car, and that dog hit on drugs.
Right.
Okay. The dress you're wearing and how long it took for him to finally get back up to stop you guys, it is possible that you either put it in your bra, in your vagina, or in your butt.
But what?
Drugs.
Why would I do that?
To not get arrested for it. So cut the attitude.
Okay, well, that's crazy.
She's searching you, and I'm giving you a chance.
Yes,
okay,
sir.
do you understand?
Uh-huh.
Okay,
Yeah.
so turn around. She's going to search you and put your hands up there.
You want me to take my jacket off?
Not yet. Do you have everything on you but the safety mechanism?
No.
I don't want to hurt you or anything. It's your bracelet.
Yeah. What is that?
It's my tampon. I mean, what are you doing?
No, why is it?
I mean, I'm just saying, why are you rubbing on me?
You don't wear a tampon like that.
Okay, I mean, yes, I do.
You don't wear a tampon like that.
Okay,
Put your hand behind your back.
so what do you think it is?
It's not a tampon.
Okay. It's the same thing I'm going to warn you with again.
Yes, I know.
We have a literal body scanner.
Yes, I know.
Okay.
Yes, I know. I know. I know.
Can you grab it?
Sure.
If you're confident that you
Grabbing
can
what?
Spread your feet.
Spread your feet.
What are you grabbing?
Lady,
Whatever you put in your vagina.
What are you talking about?
All right, listen to me.
I mean, I didn't know y'all were allowed to do that.
Stop moving.
Get
I
her
didn't know y'all were allowed to
together.
do that.
Moving.
I'm not moving.
You gonna get a strip first that day. You better act right. You better act right. You better act like you got some common sense. You think you was gonna hide that in your hoo-ha and she wasn't gonna find that? You gonna learn today. Act right. Go up there, get it. Credit card swipe. That's what we call that. It's credit card swipe, man. When they say we need a thorough pat frisk, that mean credit card swipe. That mean we getting up in them butt cheeks. You know what I'm saying? We getting up, getting up in there. You know what I'm saying? The guys, they may be like, oh, why you touching my nuts? Why you touching my nuts? Man, it's credit card swipe time, man. We think you done tied something to your nutsack or something. And girls, you know, they hide things in their hoo-ha and whatever. Yeah. Act right. Yeah, can you get up there? Can you get it? She said, yeah, I can get it. Oh, yeah. We about to get that thing right here, right on the street.
Sir, but who said you're allowed to fucking do that? You're not allowed to grab my fucking vagina.
Spread your legs, and I told you exactly before she came over.
Then take me to the jail and run the scan then. I know what I got.
Your legs.
You're not allowed to do that.
Spread your legs.
You're not allowed to do that. You're not allowed to do that.
Huh?
She under arrest, you going to jail? No.
We have enough.
I mean, that's fine. And then put me through the scanner. Sorry.
She was in the stolen car with Zog. She was a passenger in there.
There's
I want you
paraphernalia
to
in her
see
bag.
my brother. Paraphernalia in my bag. What? There is no paraphernalia in my bag.
There is.
What?
2 cut straws with residue. And there's also a bag of weed right next to your seat.
No, I do Suboxone. I go to the Lakeview Center. I get Suboxone and I snort it.
Okay.
So that's what that is. You can test it.
Okay. Well, you still have the weed.
I didn't have no weed.
Okay, well,
So-
it's literally under your seat.
Come on, Sarge. You got a decision to make, Sarge.
Whatever.
Can she get up there
let
and
me
get
explain
it?
Something to you. I just want you to just listen.
Okay.
All right. I've been doing this 12 years.
Okay, you
And-
know.
No. You're already not listening to me. So when people start off very nice like you were with me and then go from very nice to very not nice, it's usually because they're hiding something. And it could be what's in your vagina. We will find out because we're going to take you to jail and scan you in the body, and then they're going to do a strip search.
Okay.
Or you can dispel our suspicions that you have something concealed
Yeah, I will.
by removing it.
Yeah.
Or having this deputy remove it. It can be done in private.
Yeah.
You fine to do that?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
I'll remove it. You know what it is?
That's going to be up to her.
Here.
Let her do it. I'm holding you. I'm not touching you.
I'm getting
Pull
it.
your hands away from your butt.
No, here it is right here. There you go. Thank you.
So why did you lie to me? I could not have been any nicer to you, and I said that's what you did.
Because I did. It was a damn pipe.
Put her up on her belt body scanner.
That's what they're doing.
I don't have anything else. I mean,
What is
you want
that?
to put it in there?
Let me
Put it
just-
in there.
Where is that?
Is that the tampon?
This was the tampon.
Oh, okay.
Oh, how about that? Amazing.
Okay.
Now you're definitely going to jail.
Amazing. So now you can go for every charge we can find on
Want me
this
to
since
get
you
a
want to
bag?
lie.
So there could be more up there. The last time I got one of those out of someone's vagina, she had fentanyl or meth up her butthole, so
Yeah,
we're definitely
right.
going to put you on the scanner.
Yeah.
So you're under arrest now.
And we could have worked with you if you're honest, and that's why I try and
Yeah,
tell
I know.
people.
I know.
So why didn't you just do it? I literally came up to you for common cool.
This ain't difficult. Just tell the truth.
What's your name?
Why didn't I just stay the f at that goddamn house?
What's your name? What's your name?
Doesn't matter. You know my name.
I don't know your name. I'm telling you, I'm not bullshit. What's your name? Let's walk to my car. Come on. Slow down. Are you good, or do you think there's more?
I mean, we can. I don't
It's
know.
like we
I
did.
just felt the.
Hold on, I'll talk. Let me put her in the car. Come here, get in the car. There's a camera in the car. And
Yeah, I
somebody
know.
fixing you. Okay. You can close it.
Would you mind testing out for me?
Be careful. That was inside her.
Hey, would you test this one? I'm really busy right now.
I would have done it, man, but I already took my gloves off.
I'm kidding. I believe that's meth.
Wonderful.
This was under her seat. This was in her possession and makeup bags in her backpack.
Okay, better. I'll just close it out.
Is that good enough for you?
Oh, yeah.
Perfect.
You go ahead and run her to the jail. I'm going to issue his citations and cut him loose.
One person?
No, he's getting cut loose with citations because that's all I got on him. But since she's got the paraphernalia and attempt to conceal,
Who's driving?
so he got a valid DL. All right, Mr. Ricky, let's go ahead and hop out and we'll get them handcuffs off of you. You know, those weird Chicago guys, man, you never can. Go up here and we'll talk about everything.
She was charged with possession of drug paraphernalia and resisting an officer without violence, and subsequently sentenced to 60 days in county jail.
Ooh, who was that? Oh, damn. I watched that video. She looked. Anyway, body cam. Oh, they got body cam on this chick? I know y'all heard about this story. You had to hear about this story. With the lady that was working for DoorDash and she pepper sprayed somebody's food and they caught it on the Ring camera. Oh, I gotta watch that off camera and stuff. But man, yo, that's a crazy case. That's insane. Yeah. Anyway, I forgot what I was even gonna say, man. What happened with I thought the truck was stolen. So I thought he was gonna get something for that or whatever, so I get whatever. He got out of it. He ain't getting no trouble for real. So citation, but yeah. There's a difference between a pat frisk and a deep pat frisk, a thorough one. You know what I'm saying? Most of the time, the pat frisk that you see on the street is regular, like, make it look good for the cam. You know what I'm saying? But when they got suspicion and they got to do a thorough one, they gonna get up in there. So they gonna get up in them cracks and all that. If you got bras, they getting up under them bras and all of that, making sure. Yeah, it's gonna be intense. Well, you gonna be like, God damn, what the hell? Yeah, oh yeah, it's gonna be like that. So, but those are the only ways to really find something, of any value. Because most of the time, it's not really thorough pat frisks that go out on the street. Just because they're getting put in the car, they're gonna go to jail, and the COs is gonna do a thorough one. You know what I mean? That's how I go. But anyways, yeah, she was shady. That dog hit on that thing immediately. So she had it, but it hit on the passenger side. So it's like, yeah. You can put two and two together. It was easy. Anyway, so I'm giving the Moses 5 out of 5. I'm giving that dog a 10 out of 5, man. He did an amazing job. He was excited, ready to work, motivated. Yeah, that was a good boy. And yeah, so let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.